My name is Pavel Strnad. I'm from the production company Negative, and we produced the animation feature Alois Nebel, which was awarded the best animation here at the Malta at the European Film Awards. The film is based on a comic book which was published back in 2002 in Czech Republic. Became one of the most popular comic books. We started working on Alois Nebel back in 2006 when I bought the rights to the book. It was a comic book which was quite popular in Czech Republic, and we were looking for the best way how to adapt a comic into a film, and we found rotoscoping, which is quite a unique technique when you shoot with actors and then you redraw frame by frame the actual footage. And it took us 5 years to finish the film, which was finished in 2011 and opened in Venice and also in Czech Republic, which was quite successful release. We had more than 100,000 admissions.